Hello, I hope your day has been good. I'm jumping on briefly to update you regarding our live, which was supposed to have been tomorrow, the 30th of June. Unfortunately, something has come up that is going to take me away from the screens just about that time. So we have rescheduled the live for the 6th of July, 2023. That's a Thursday, and that's just next week, Thursday. The time is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., just an hour. And I was hoping to do this on live. I'm going to get paper and show you. I was hoping to do this on live. So this is known as a tree of life while wrapping. I'm going to be putting a picture somewhere else if I can do that. So I was hoping to do that. It's the same thing as this, as known as a tree of life pendant. I was hoping to do that on live and take every other question you have. Unfortunately, we can't do that. I really apologize, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. It's going to be on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So take care and see you on Thursday the 6th. Have a brilliant day. Bye.